chasing you. Stay relentless with all that you do. Never ever bite the hand that feeds. Love don't live here anymore. It's just me.
Good, how are you?
Help you with something?
Not right now.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you an officer?
I am. I'm Sergeant Honda.
Okay, nice to meet you. What's your badge number?
1129.
Thank you. Yeah, no, I don't need any help at the moment. I'm gonna come inside when I'm done out here, and then I can ask for the help that I need.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Help you, sir?
Yes. I do have a question about filling out a FOIA request.
We don't do FOIA requests there.
I can fill it out here.
No,
Where do I do that?
I don't know. A FOIA, Freedom of Information Act.
So you don't know where a citizen can fill out a FOIA request?
You can fill it out, but I don't have any paperwork for you to fill out. So if you've got your paperwork, you can fill it out. But we don't take any, you can't file it here, we don't do any of that.
Yes, I
That would be
can.
headquarters, 3510 South Michigan.
I can file it here, ma'am. I'm very aware that I can file it here.
Okay, then go ahead and file it.
Okay.
I'm not with me though, because I've never been trained on how to do it, and I don't have any access to that.
No, you don't have to be trained. What the way it works is I can hand it to you, and then you can forward it to whoever the
I don't know who to forward it to though.
FOIA officer is.
We don't have, that's handled at headquarters, all the requests come out of headquarters. So when people want to get their results and everything, they go to headquarters, 3510 South Michigan.
Yeah. But
And I'm on video, yes.
I live in the neighborhood. I don't want to travel all the way there. You know, I'm
There's a
allowed.
phone number on there, you can call them and ask them how to do it.
I can do it here, ma'am.
Okay.
I can do it. The law says that I can do it here. I can fill it out and hand it to anybody. It doesn't have to be you.
Okay, then feel free to.
Okay. Can I get a blank sheet of paper, if you don't mind? Thank you.
He wants to show a freedom of information process. We don't do that here, it's videos.
I know. I'm not here to video you.
It says he can forward it, I can forward it to the person who doesn't know who that is.
I appreciate it.
So.
I'm just recording my interaction. I'm not here to record you personally. Yeah. So. I'm not sure why she's having an attitude with me. I appreciate your concern. I understand. Thank you for being professional.
There's two ways you can do it.
Okay.
You can mail it in, or you can go to the city's website and you do it the request online.
Okay, I like to do it in person, sir. That's how I've done it every time. I prefer to do it
Then
in
you know what,
person.
you can do it 3510 South Michigan.
Why can't I do it here?
Because we don't have the application forms. Do you have internet access on that phone?
Yes, I do,
Oh,
but
then you know what? Type it in here. You go to FOIA at chicagopolice.org.
I understand that, sir. There's a reason why I like to do it physically at the location.
Why? Because you know what we're going to do? We're going to forward it to our legal department.
Yes, that's what I want you to do. I want to do it here and then get a receipt.
We won't give you a receipt. All we'll do is put it in an envelope and send it off.
Okay, but so how do I verify? I mean, how do I know that?
Do it online. That's the best way because then it verifies. Hear me out.
Okay.
Then you'll timestamp it.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
but like I said, I have reasons why I like to do it in person than online. I have my personal reasons
I never
why I
heard
like
of
to do
anybody
it.
ever doing it.
Yeah, I have a reason why I do it that way.
Well,
Yeah.
this is how we do it, and this is the procedure. If you look at it, file a police FOIA request. This is from the City of Chicago's website.
I understand that's what the city of Chicago prescribes, but the law says that I can do it here.
What law?
The Illinois FOIA law. Have you read it? I mean, it says that I can do it in writing.
And yes, and as they say, there's established rules on each department on how you should go
Yeah,
about
but
it. I just can't call 311 and demand an FOIA request. You should know that.
that's not.
What's your first name?
I'm not gonna give you my
Come
name.
on, I don't want to talk to you. Hey, you.
Right. You just call me sir. That's fine. That's good enough.
Okay.
Right. Just call me sir. There's a reason why I don't want to give up my ID because this is.
I don't want your ID.
I mean, like my
I
ID
just want to
as far
address
as
you
my
by
name.
rather than AU.
Yeah. Well, just call me sir. Just call me sir.
So this is what you have to do. Okay, the simple instructions. They have a mailing instruction and they have an email and they have. You can click on this button if you go to the website. It's on the bottom.
Right. I don't mean to give you a hard time, sir.
You're not giving me our.
Okay. There's a reason why I want to do it in person. I don't want to divulge what that reason is, but the law gives me the provision to do it in writing and submit it at any government agency.
Do you have the paperwork for it?
Well, even if I can just fill it out on a blank sheet of paper. Yeah. The law allows me to fill it out on a blank sheet of paper as well.
Okay, then why don't you go home, write out what you need on a blank sheet of paper, and bring it back.
Okay. Can I have that? I can fill it out behind this. I can just write it behind this one because I don't want to go home and then come back just for that. I can write it behind it.
Yeah, but what's the nature of the? I mean, I don't even want to know the nature of the request.
Okay.
But if you write it down,
Yeah.
you want it like take your time and make sure you have key dates.
No, I
Because
already.
they're not going to do a carte blanche. You can't just say I need.
Oh yeah, I know exactly what I need. Yeah, I know exactly what I need. I'll just write it down and give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Why don't you have a seat over there so you're not blocking anybody that's coming in? We'll give you a clipboard. Okay.
I appreciate it.
Have a clipboard. Here, have a seat.
Thank you.
Articulate your thoughts.
Thank you.
I was told to come back here today.
All right, guys, I'm done with the FOIA request, and I'm gonna turn it in a minute.
You made an accident report?
Yes.
Do I need to hand it to you or just leave it here, sir? Do I need to hand it to you or just leave it here?
You done?
Yes.
You put your name and address, contact information.
My email. I just send it to my email. This
Feet
is
to the fire.
yes at gmail.com. This is the information I need. How many officers are out literally on the street patrol for any of the shifts?
Do you know what the
Me too.
limits are to an FOIA request regarding that information or not?
What limits as far as what information I can get?
Yeah.
Oh no, this is public information now, right? This is readily,
Well,
yeah.
you know,
And then the other one is
that's determined by, our unit. I'm just telling you.
yeah, it's all right. There's
And that's the only way you can be contacted.
yes, just send it to my email. I want to remain anonymous because I'm working on the story. Telling you who I am compromises the story that I'm working on.
Okay?
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay. You wanna wait a minute? I'll look it up.
I appreciate it. Yeah. If you don't have the form, you can give me a blank piece of paper. I can fill it out on my paper and hand it to you.
I'm not filling out.
No, I will fill it out and hand it to you. And then you can,
I'm not filling out.
I'm sorry?
I'm not filling out for your request.
All right.
Yeah. It says right here, I'm looking up the order that you go to 3510 South Michigan. Request it. I don't have.
Okay, is this a CPD policy?
I don't have a form here to give you yet. It's a CPD policy.
Okay, but you guys are able to print out the form. I've been to, ma'am, I've been to some other police districts. You're able to print out the form and give it to me, and I'll fill it out and I'll give it to any one of you, and then you can forward that to wherever you need to forward it to.
Sir, I'm telling you.
Because I don't want to go all the way there if I can do it here. And the information I need is from this district.
It says mail or bring the form.
Yeah,
So you mail it.
I can do it in person also.
Yeah, mail or bring the form in person at 3510.
No, ma'am, I don't know how this is becoming so complicated. I can submit the form here, and then you guys can forward it to your headquarters or whoever the custodian for your records are. I don't have to go all the way there to do it. I can do it here also. So if you don't have the form, I can fill it out on a paper and then just leave it with you or any one of you.
It says, I'm telling you what it says, mail it or bring it in person.
Yeah, but that's your policy. That's not state law, ma'am. That's your policy. State law says I can do it here. What is that, ma'am?
That's the form.
Oh, I
That's all
appreciate.
you asked
Oh,
for.
I appreciate it. I wasn't sure. Thank you. Can I get your name and your badge number?
Reardon, 286.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes. Okay.
I'll put it in
Can
the
this-
mail bag.
Can I just get it time stamped?
I don't have a timestamp.
Okay. Can you just sign and give me a copy because I want proof that I gave it to you.
Sir, you're recording me. What do you mean proof? I don't have an official timestamper. You're here in the district, you're recording it. I gave you my name, I gave you my star.
That portion down there that says timestamp. What's that portion for?
That's when you go to headquarters, which is where the records are, which is what I said.
Okay. So it's
I'm not signing that. 'Cause
Okay.
I'm not handing you the records.
okay. So
You know what I'm saying?
it's been officially turned in.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're recording. It's officially turned
All right. So I should hear back in about 5 days.
I have no idea. I
Okay.
don't have them records.
All right. I appreciate it. Just be more cordial to the members of the public. All right. We don't pay you to be rude. Okay.
Alive, okay?
On June 13th, 2022, 62-year-old Dick Tench experienced an unforgettable event when Greenville Sheriff Deputy Kevin Azara responded to a medical alarm triggered in the vicinity at midnight. The officer approached Tench's house and, upon seeing him holding a firearm, fired multiple shots at him.
Let me see your hands! Yeah, throw the gun out the door. Let me see your hands. Yeah, you pointed a gun at me.
Who are you?
The sheriff's office.
What are you here for?
Because we got an alarm call.
Oh my God, call the cops, please.
I am the cops.
Call the ambulance, please.
All right, where's the gun?
Tench was injured by the officer's gunfire and required immediate medical attention.
Where's the gun? All right, don't move it. Are you the only one here?
What's wrong with you, man?
I'm up here.
Mom, call the cops. My God, what's wrong with you? Get the ambulance here.
Where are you hit?
And my groin and my chest. What are you doing, man?
You pointed a gun at me, man.
You were in my house.
Greenville, send me 1051. I rang your doorbell because we got an alarm call.
Bad in my groin.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You don't
10-4. Come here, hold this light.
The officer opened fire on Tench immediately after sighting him, which was terrible, considering Tench was a licensed gun owner.
I saw lights and I heard the doorbell ring and I got it with my gun. I'm a concealed weapons guy. Okay. Get the ambulance here, man. I'm gonna die. Shot me right here, dude. Okay. You motherfucker. Why did you do that? Because you pointed a gun at me, man. Dude, you came to my house at 12 o'clock at night. I'm sleeping. God damn, I gotta protect my house. Oh my God. Get the ambulance. Go ahead. Man, I'm gonna die. They're coming. They're coming. You motherfucker. I can't believe you did this to me. I'm good. This guy's got 2 gunshot wounds. I can't believe you did this to me, man. Okay, we're not gonna talk about this right now. We're gonna focus on keeping you alive, okay? So take some deep breaths and calm down, and you're gonna be okay, all right? Somebody hit a panic alarm for the love of God. Nobody here. What's the address here? That's where it came in from. We don't have an alarm. We don't have an alarm.
The officer administered first aid to Tench until the ambulance arrived. Fortunately, Tench survived, but spent the first 30 days following the shooting with 2 bullets still lodged in his body. The press release from the Greenville Sheriff's Office lieutenant the next day was absolutely bizarre.
When the deputy knocked or rang the doorbell, made contact at the door, gentleman came to the door, jerked it open immediately, presented and pointed a gun directly at the deputy, at which time the deputy returned with fire.
This was false. The lieutenant's statement was refuted when the body cam footage leaked, which clearly showed Tench did not open his door or aim a gun at the deputy. Tench later got a settlement of $650,000. Following an internal investigation, Officer Azara was found not to have violated departmental policy and did not face charges, despite his involvement in a previous on-duty shooting, in which he fired 10 rounds, resulting in the death of Joseph Inabinet several months ago.
Yes. Well, we got a situation here. I'm going to show you how to handle CPS correctly in the right way. I'm going to show you the process and document everything that's going on and show you exactly how to handle CPS.
Hi, sir.
How's it going? What's your name?
My name's Angela Shaw.
Okay. Who do you work for?
I'm an investigator for Child Protective Services.
Okay. What are you doing here?
I have currently an open case and I'm looking for Melissa Escobar.
Okay. Do you have any allegations?
The allegations are neglect supervision. What's your name?
Are those facts?
Those are allegations, sir.
So they're not facts.
Those are allegations.
So they're not facts.
Like I said, those are allegations. What's your name?
They're not facts, right? Do y'all have a warrant?
Not yet.
Okay. Please don't trespass. Please don't trespass. No, sir, you're trespassing already, sir.
I'm just gonna walk away and talk to you.
Okay, I'm gonna back up because you got a gun. I'm gonna back up.
Do you have any kids here?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any kids here?
Why? Do you like kids?
No, the CPS agent is concerned for them. There's some allegations. She's trying to
Are those facts?
take them out. There are allegations of people saying that.
Are they facts? So are they sworn by under oath and affirmation by someone under testimony to a judge that those are facts? Sir?
What's your name?
Sir, I don't have to get up on myself. Do you know what section 3002 of the statute penal code is? That I don't have. Yes. Look it up. You can Google it. Yeah. It says I don't have to identify myself unless I'm lawfully or illegally being arrested. And sir, I'm not committing no crime. You have to get up.
Hello. Hi. He had come earlier, but I wasn't here. I had gone to take the baby to give her shot, so that's why I wasn't here. I didn't get to talk to nobody. You didn't leave a number. So.
I told them they wanted my business card. They said no, but I said it's right there.
Oh, we didn't see that. I didn't see that. There's a card right there in the loop. I said only the baby.
Okay, and I do need to see the home environment.
She needs $5 too. She might need a new job.
Concerns that there's meth usage in the home and meth manufacturing.
Here in our house.
Yes, ma'am.
Are those facts?
Oh my God, no. That there's meth used in here.
Are those valid
Like I
statements?
said, these are the allegations.
Those are not facts.
Okay, they're not facts. It's an allegation, right?
Yes.
Now, who said that?
And reporters are confidential. I cannot disclose to the reporter.
Okay, so, okay.
No.
You guys will need to get drug tested.
Is that drug test voluntary or is it mandatory?
Oh, this is voluntary, sir.
Okay, so, I mean, you want them to volunteer for something they don't have to do.
de la corte en ese momento to investigate child abuse or neglect.
Are those facts?
Like I said, so they're allegations.
Okay, not facts.
Like I said, they're allegations.
They're not facts.
You know what an allegation is?
I do know that they're not facts, and they never were in my case. Ever facts. You want to know what facts are? Facts are that my daughter Ariana Escobar, 12 years old at the time, said on Fox 29 News and Mundo Hispanico that she was raped, molested, abused, and threatened, all in CPS custody, and that she had told CPS everything, and that nothing has been done. Now those are facts. Ariana's saying this.
My name is Ariana Escobar. I am 12 years old, and I want to tell my side of the story. Nobody kidnapped me or abducted me. I ran away on my own because for the past 5 years, I have been with CPS. I have been abused, molested, and raped while in state's custody. I've suffered so much, and I've told CPS about everything, and nothing has been.
Well, I need to see a valid court order before you even come inside.
The cause number there in the front, sir.
No, I need to see a court order, a warrant, and the affidavit. Where's the affidavit? This is not an order to come inside. It's not? No, it's not. Hold on. You need 2 first-hand witnesses signed under testimony through a judge that these are facts.
Yes, that's your house.
This is what you call an invalid court order. There is no 2 first-hand witnesses alleging any of this. Who's the one that submitted this?
Who's the judge?
Who's the investigator that submitted this?
Who is the judge that signed that?
Who's the investigator?
Miss Angela, who is the judge
Who
that signed
submitted
that?
this? You know this is unlawful. You know that, right? We got you. Who's the one that submitted?
Who is the judge?
Who's the
Miss
judge?
Angela?
Who's the
Who
judge?
is the judge that it says on there?
There's a court order.
Who's the judge?
Who
Who's
is
the
the
judge?
judge?
Who's the judge?
There is no judge.
There is no judge.
Very back, yes, ma'am.
Donde mero está?
Who's the judge? Why don't you say it? Who's the
Why
judge?
don't you say who's the judges?
Who's the judge?
That's the attorney.
Who's the judge?
Attorney.
And there's the presiding judge.
Ma'am, an attorney by law cannot move a court. Only a man can do it.
Mom, don't send her over because only a judge can do that, and that is wrong. She is wrong.
That's why she's not
This
answering
is the
nothing.
same thing that they're trying to do, like always, child trafficking.
The cops can't do nothing.
Yo te dejé mirar todo bien.
Hold on.
Porque no me estás echando mentiras, dices tú. Pero no me eches mentiras, me estás haciendo algo.
Let's give her a chance. Who's the first-hand witness?
And I'm being honest with you.
How come there's no judge sign on there?
There is a
Who's the judge?
The
Who's the judge?
Right there. And
Who's
if
the
you want,
judge?
You can go down tomorrow.
Who's the judge?
No,
and get a
where
copy
is it?
right
Where
there.
is it?
Who's the judge?
That's the cost number.
Who's the judge?
Where is the judge?
Who's the judge?
You don't even know what judge it is.
You're
You
the
have
case-
to read it.
Who's
You
the judge?
sorry.
Hey,
Who's the judge?
let her talk.
You're sorry, Angela. You're very sorry.
Who's the judge?
Who's the judge? Who is the judge?
And who are the
You didn't even know what the judge's name is.
by law? Who's the 2 first-hand witnesses under testimony by perjury?
Okay. Let them do what they need to do.
It's okay because this is all gonna come back to the court anyways. It's gonna come back to the judge under penalty of perjury. Who are the 2 first-hand witnesses signed under testimony
She
to a
already
judge?
checked the baby all over her body.
Yeah, they
in
have-
the room.
yeah.
Está bien todo. So there's nothing in there.
See?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like I said, there were some allegations.
We don't
that
care
were
about
made against
allegations.
you In regards
I have
to
a right
drug
to talk.
use.
I have
But
a right
there's
to
no
talk.
drug using.
I know, and that's
Okay,
what
and there's no
told me.
judge signed this. Tú, Angela. There's no judge signed that. ¿Por qué no me dijiste?
The
Tú me
judge
dijiste.
signed that.
There's-
You
What
didn't even know
judge?
what judge
Ask
signed
what
that
judge it is.
in the back.
What is his name? That's
I don't
not
know
judge.
who-
That's
you
the
don't even know who
attorney.
he is. That's the attorney, and that is the presiding
You
judge.
don't know
We
who
don't
the
care about
judge's
that.
name
We
is?
want to know who the judge is.
You don't even know who the judge's name is. presiding. What's his name?
I don't know what judge signed
Mom,
it.
that means
You-
that she
you
could have
said-
signed it.
Who submitted this?
She could have signed it.
Look.
She could have signed it herself and done it. Yes, Mom.
Who submitted this?
Signed this
Who
March
submitted
20, 2019.
Who submitted this?
Grandma? No.
You're not handing over the
Are y'all
baby,
telling me that y'all
I'm
came
not.
over backing her up?
Okay, goodbye. You can leave
No,
now.
she can't.
But you know what?
Bye.
But you know what? We will have this all on
Oh, no.
social media.
No.
We will have you all over Facebook.
We need her to say who the judge was and who were the 2 first-hand witnesses that actually got this authorized.
This is not how this works, sir.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. This is the law. This is the law.
That's the law, right?
This is the law.
You don't like it, right?
Okay.
That's the law.
We're not doing no contracts with y'all.
This is the attorney for CPS. This is not how you sign an order. And right here, it just says judge presiding, and it's just scribbled. Like, it doesn't, it's supposed to say right here in print the name of the judge, his full name. This is all invalid. The caseworker for CPS, Angela Ochoa, is the only one present at this time and on this document that is claiming that these are facts.
Welcome to the family. Fuck every motherfucker who you will be.